Unique Heating and Air Conditioning strives to be #1 in customer service. All of our technicians are highly trained and will provide you with expert installation and service when you need it the most. When your home is uncomfortable, quick service at a fair price is what you need. Right now, receive up to $2,000 off a qualifying furnace and AC combo. Unique Heating and Air Conditioning. Your comfort is what we do. Call, scan the QR code, or visit our webpage today.